This, my friends, is one of my favorite Lebanese dishes. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's aubergine Fatteh, but I upgraded it and I added some shrimp to it. Check it out. So first I'm going to start with the crispy part, which is the khibz mar'ou, super fine bread that I'm going to season and bake so it becomes crunchy. I'm going to put some olive oil, not too much. So once I finished putting oil all over, just lightly, I'm gonna sprinkle some sumac. The oil is gonna help it stick. Some dried thyme, a pinch of salt. Then I'm gonna fold this and then roll it and cut it into slices. So we take this onto a baking tray, then we put this in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 until crispy. Meanwhile, I'm gonna slice some aubergine and season them about 1 centimeter thickness. That's enough. A little bit of olive oil. Salt and pepper. Leave that aside. Third step is to make the yogurt mix, which consists of 150 grams of goat labné with 150 grams of laban from cow milk and 40 grams of tahini, to which we're gonna add 1 small clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt. Whip the whole thing until you get a beautiful cream. Now we let this rest until we're ready to serve in the fridge. The bread should be done by now. Wow. Insanely crispy. It's awesome. Next step is the aubergine. We're gonna pan fry them and start dressing the plate. So on medium heat, put your 5 slices in. Once the aubergines are brown and soft, it's time to take them out. So before dressing the plate, the final step is to season and saute the shrimp. It's always better to have totally raw shrimp than having half cooked or half boiled because they lose their flavors. I'm slicing them in half so they cook faster. Put them all in a bowl with a little bit of olive oil, pinch of salt, finely chopped coriander. Can't forget some of that pepper there, and of course some garlic. Now you want to saute them in a frying pan at medium to high heat with a little bit of olive oil, now it's very important not to overcook the shrimp. Turn off the heat. This is ready. Now we only have to dress the plate. So first we start by slicing the aubergine in 4 and create a bed of aubergine. Can you hear that still sizzling there? Second is some of that bread that I'm gonna crack without making it too small. Keep big chunks. So first layer is soft and smoky, second is crispy and flavorful, and then this layer that is super creamy, flavorful. Finally, the beautiful shrimp makes it fancy, rich. And if you like, some piment d'Espelette and fresh coriander. Can you hear that? You gotta take all the ingredients at once. Out of this world. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend you do. And if that's the first time you watch one of my videos, please subscribe to my channel for many more to come. Cheers.